I'm gonna do another video on showing you my slime. Still white. And I had to get a new bag because my other bag broke. Okay, so first I'll show you my slime. So, people say that if you store it in a plastic bag, it will only last like 2 weeks, but mine has lasted for months. So, I don't know. Mine's lasted for like months. So, I don't know. I think they're lying to you. Mine's sticky because I just now found this. I lost it for like a week or so. Anyways. My slime is so sticky now. Oh my goodness. So, in my last video, I told you that I made this with borax, and yes, I did. So, and this, it's the same, because most borax slimes turn into like gloppy, like just a big old glob of glue. But mine is almost, it's a little bit, it's not as good, but it's pretty close to being as good as the liquid starch one. And there's, I'll tell you the different kinds of slime. There's galaxy slime. That's not really a different type. You can use borax or liquid starch. There's the borax glue, which is this. There is the liquid starch one, which is pretty good. There is the edible one, which you use fiber powder and Kool-Aid and water, and then the microwave. And yeah, there's like glowing slime where you put a glowing paint in, or you can even cut open a glow stick or something. Anyways, so this is my slime, and it reacts really good to water. Like if you spray on it, I'm just using the spray, I don't know why, and then you rub on it, it feels so good. I know it might make some weird noises, and for some reason, I can't create this anymore. Like, I keep on trying to do it, because I bought borax, but I keep on messing up. And I got this. Now, this is not stretchy or anything. It's not squishy. I'll show you it. It's really bad. I don't know what went wrong with it, honestly. You can't stretch it. You can't squish it. It doesn't go back together. I don't know where I went wrong. Ugh. Yeah, like, it's not worth being played with. But that's okay. I don't know what I did wrong, but that's alright. Okay. So, yeah. I really love playing with it. And hold on. Wait. I don't have to do that yet. I'm not a weirdo. Oh, yes. I'll show you something else in a minute. Sorry. So, okay. So, this. I bought this, but the slime was really bad in it. I bought it at the dollar store, though. And it was blue, and it was just not good. it lasted a few days. So then, once I threw that away, I took a piece of this and put it in some green dye and made that. Now this one really isn't that good anymore. I don't know why. But yeah. But they can still be dyed any color you want. Yeah. It takes on water really good, obviously, as I already said, but it's really fun to play with. And this is coming from a kid, so you know that it will be worthy. I don't know. I mean, yeah. So, how you liking it? You can roll it out. You can stretch it a lot. See, it works just as good as the liquid starch slime. Anyways. Okay, hold on. I'll show you the ingredients I made it with. And this can be left out for like a few hours without drying. Okay, so I'm gonna vlog. So this is all. If what I used for borax, you need some Elmer's glue. Doesn't matter if you will have clear or white. Then you also need some water. I'm not sure how much. And you also need 1 or 2 tablespoons of this stuff. Ugh. Borax. It's a laundry detergent. Anyways, let's get back to the other stuff. Hold on. Okay, so we're back. The lovely slime. And I just left it out while I went and showed you that. And then you can also use glitter, any type, and any type of food coloring. Yeah. And you can also put like weird stuff in it. You could put rubber bands. You could put gummy worms. You could put anything in there. Mine only sticks to my hands a little bit. I don't know why, but it's really easy to get off. I don't recommend using a blanket or anything like fabric because most likely it will stick to that. So that's why I'm using this. Yeah. That's my slime. Mwah. Jump rope. Boom. Anyways, I'm just getting boring now, aren't I? You could break it. You could wrap it around yourself. Oh, crap. And it's really not that messy. And it takes a little bit of time. A tiny bit. Like 10 minutes or so. He thinks he's such a lady killer. I'm trying to get this off of me. Get off of me, you dumb slime. Oh my gosh. So, who's been watching the Gilmore Girls lately? I know me and my mother have. Yeah, I'm on season 3. And my mom's on season 5. We watch it on Netflix. I don't know why I'm talking to you about this. But, yes. So, some of you don't know my name. It is not my channel name. You don't need to know my name. Okay? Okay. Because today is not okay day. Tell me who YouTubers that's from, because he's awesome. gave out a hint. It's a he. Anyways, so yeah, it's really cool. Yeah. Hashtag random slime. Okay, anyways, bye. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe. I don't have any other channel, but yeah, do that, all that stuff. Like, comment, and just with your friends. Anyways, bye.